boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar Milky Chance with Purple Tiger. What a cool name, Purple Tiger. We gotta have this on Growing Guitar. So let's look at this one. I believe we have 6 different chords to handle here. So let's do them right away without any capo needed. So we're gonna fly right into this one with the D chord. And that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We also have the D F, so that is basically a D but with an F sharp in the bass. It looks like this. So that is 2nd on E, open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. A next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. All right, and then we have the E minor. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord, of course, we gotta have a bar chord. So that is the B minor here. You play the bar here on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here in the bass, so just 5 strings below there. And then we have 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. All right, so we're gonna start with the first verse, and we're gonna use one strumming pattern that works throughout the song here. So if you grab the D, that is the first chord. One strumming around goes down, clap, up, clap. So down, clap, up, clap. All right, so like that is the rhythm. Let's start with the verse play, and you're gonna play D, 1 string around, A, 1 string around, and G, 2 string rounds. That part you play for 3 rounds to begin with. That's the first half of the verse, so to speak, so it's a pretty long one. So D1, A1, G2, like this. Right, 3 rounds there, and then you're gonna have the DF1, G1, B minor 1, D1, and then G1, DF1, and E minor 2. So D1, G1, B minor 1, D1, G1, DF1, and E minor 2. And that is the end of the verse. So a pretty long one. Just to summarize this, we had D1, A1, and G2. That part you play for 3 rounds. And then you go over to DF1, G1, B minor 1, D1. Then G1, DF1, and E minor 2. All right, so that is the verse play. Then comes the chorus play here. You're gonna continue, like I said, with the same strumming. And now you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, and the chord progression will be E minor, A, D, and G. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So 1 round goes. That start of the 2nd round, and that is what you're gonna play 2 rounds of that, and that is the chorus. So we covered both verses and both choruses because there are no changes there at all. When it comes to the amount of times you're gonna play everything, it's the same as well. So 2 rounds in the 2nd chorus also. The only difference here will be in the post-chorus parts. We have a post-chorus after both of these choruses. The first one, you're gonna play for 2 rounds, and you're gonna play in the exact same way as you play the chorus. So just a chorus play for 2 rounds of E minor, A, D, G, 2 strumming rounds per chord. With the second one, the second and last one, you're gonna continue with the same playing, but instead of 2 rounds, you play for 4 rounds. And that is what ends Milky Chance's Purple Tiger. Very, very cool name there. So yeah, give it a try. Very straightforward song here, easy chords. So yeah, if this was helpful, support me here on Guitar, show me some love back, and until next time, play tuned.